Kalba Devi Temple, Ratnagiri. It is located at about 13 kilometers from Ratnagiri. There is scenic beautiful coastal town named Kalba Devi. On the way from Ratnagiri to Arevare, on the left hand side you can see the tiled roof of Sri Rameshwar and the milky white temple pinnacle of Sri Kalba Devi. The quaint tiled roof of the Rameshwar temple and the magnificent ancient antique architecture attracts our gaze. The temple of Rameshwar with its paving stone, Tulsi Vrindavan and two magnificent strings of lamps is built right next to the creek shore. We will find many devotees visiting this temple throughout the year. Earlier this town used to be called Pusle, but the name changed to Kalba Devi because of the Kalika Devi temple present here. The main temple has a grand hall and an altar with a Swayambhu Pindi of Sri Dev Rameshwar. Kaleshwari and Rameshwar are the two pilgrim places here which are worshipped by many devotees. The main festival of this temple is the Sharad Navratri and other popular religious festivals are celebrated. Right at the entrance of the temple, there is a deity of Sri Ganesh and Nandi. One of the great features of this temple is the grand bell. Weighing almost 500 kilograms, this bell is of Portuguese period with the year 1737 engraved on it. It is said that during the Peshwa period, this bell was sent here by Sardar Patwardhan of Sangli on a camelback through Visaji Pant Lele. Now we move ahead to visit Kalika Devi temple. The temple basically consists of a small hall and altar with a deity of Kalika Mata. The deity is made from black stone and the villagers go by the popular belief that the goddess must have come here from Goa. The front of the main temple of goddess Kaleshwari is lined with the string of stone lamps and there is also a Tulsi Vrindavan. The beach at Kalba Devi, which is blessed with nature, is extremely beautiful. The occasional waves dancing on the shore simply blows your mind. Migratory birds like seagulls can be seen during their season. Here you can see the beautiful rural look of authentic Konkan like quaint cottages with their tiled roofs, coconut, betel nut and mango orchards. I will be back with the next scenic destination for all our lovely viewers. Thank you for watching.